Welcome back to Product Critique, the place where we dissect, evaluate, and spotlight the best gear in tech. Today, we're diving into what we consider one of the best camera gimbals for smooth video in 2025, the DJI Osmo Mobile SE. The Osmo Mobile SE maintains DJI's legacy of premium design with an ultra-compact folding build that's perfect for travel and daily carry. Whether you're packing light for a hike, a family vacation, or a quick vlog shoot downtown, this gimbal slides into your bag without a second thought. But don't let the size fool you. This little beast packs a punch. It comes equipped with a built-in tripod and a selfie stick, which is incredibly useful for creators who need flexibility. That built-in stick gives you the distance and stability to make it happen without the need for extra gear. Now let's talk stabilization. This is where it truly shines. The DJI Osmo Mobile SE is built around a 3-axis stabilization system, which means your footage stays buttery smooth, even when you're moving fast, climbing stairs, or chasing your dog through the park. Whether you're filming for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or just documenting your life, that shake-free video makes a world of difference. One of the major highlights is ActiveTrack 6.0. This is DJI's latest version of their intelligent subject tracking, and it's smarter than ever. You can just tap on your phone screen and the gimbal locks onto your subject. Whether it's a person, a pet, or even a moving object. It follows them smoothly and intelligently, keeping them centered and in focus. You can even use gesture controls to start tracking and recording, which is a huge win for solo creators. It works seamlessly with both iPhone and Android smartphones. Setup is fast thanks to magnetic mounting. Just snap your phone in and you're ready to roll. No more fumbling with clamps or rebalancing every time you switch devices. Now, let's talk about features for creators. The DJI Mimo app unlocks a ton of creativity. From panorama to story mode, hyperlapse, time-lapse, dynamic zoom, and gesture control, it's all in there. The interface is clean, intuitive, and even includes editing tools to help you cut and publish content right from your phone. You can even use a power bank on the go. What's great is how DJI has made this gimbal extremely user-friendly. Whether you're a seasoned videographer or someone just starting out with mobile content creation, you'll feel at home using the Osmo Mobile SE. The learning curve is minimal, and the payoff is instant, smoother, more cinematic shots, right out of the gate. To wrap this up, the DJI Osmo Mobile SE isn't just another gimbal. It's a complete toolset for mobile content creators. It's compact, powerful, easy to use, and loaded with smart features that actually improve your video game. If you want one of the best gimbals on the market without breaking the bank or your back carrying gear, this is the one to beat. That's all for today's product critique. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech breakdowns, and drop a comment. If you want us to test other gimbals or gear in this range. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.